Our simple bilateral mirroring brush is almost correct, except mirroring across the y-axis does not work correctly. Across the x and kitty corner works, but across the y does not work. Let's go look at the code we've written. So in the mermaid function section in our mirroring code that takes a input binary tile and mirrors it across the x or y, we have some debug code that's actually irrelevant that we could remove. And then we're going to carry over the input binary tile to the output right here. These are the wrong variables. These are the correct variables for toggling on and off the different mirroring bits on the sublayers of the binary tile. So here's the mirroring X for our 3 layers. Here's the mirroring Y for our 3 layers. So we want to toggle all these bits on or off depending. In here's where we're going to flip the X bits if the mirror bit X is configured on and there are parameters. So we're just going to do a XOR with our different X bit masks and then assign it back to the output. Otherwise, if it's not set, we're going to do nothing, and we're going to error here if it's an invalid case. Here, if we have selected to mirror on the Y with our inputs, then we're going to do a bitwise XOR to toggle these bits on or off. This is a shift to make sure that this is interpreted as unsigned logic, and then we're just going to assign back to the output. If mirroring on the Y is not selected, we'll do nothing, and this case is because if it's not 1 or 0, then that's an error case, and we're going to crash. And then we're just going to return the transformed output here. And that's all we're doing. So here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this video on this playlist. Otherwise, you can just keep on following along on the advanced playlist on the Kanji Coder channel. Source code is here, and you can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.